Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. So in this video, I basically was trying to have fun with some color without doing a little bit too much. My previous videos that I'm playing with color were really dramatic on the eyes and a much softer lip. So I was like, you know what, let me just do the opposite this time. And I did a softer eye and a more bolder, a more bold colored lip. That's what I'm trying to say here. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you want to see other videos with me using different colors on my eyes, just look back at some of the past videos before this one. And we're just going to jump right into it and let's get started, guys. Starting with the Badescu facial spray with cucumber and green tea. I'm just going to spray that all over my face. And then I'm going to go in with the Tarte Mermaid Skin Hydrating Water and just massage all of that in. My skin has been really dry lately, so I have to do a lot of prepping. And then once I'm done with that, I'm going to go in with the Marc Jacobs Face Primer and apply that. And again, massage all of that in. Next, I'm moving on to my eyes and I'm going to go in with the NARS Smudgeproof Eyeshadow Primer. Onto the eyeshadow, I'm going to go in with the KKW and Mario palette and take this soft brown right here and apply that to my crease. Next, I'm going to take this cream color and apply that all over my lids. Now to give my crease a little bit more definition, I'm going to take that dark orangey tone shadow and apply that to my crease as well. For my liner, I'm going to go in with the Smashbox Always On Liquid Liner. Moving on to my foundation, I'm going to go in with the NARS Natural Radiant Foundation in the shade Stromboli. Now to highlight my face, I'm going to go in with the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in the color Macadamia. And of course, once all of that gets blended out, I will be setting all those highlighted areas with the Laura Mercier Translucent Powder. Now to set the rest of my face, I'm going to go in with the PhotoBalm Medium Powder by theBalm Cosmetics. For contouring, I'm going to go in with the Anastasia Saddle Bronzer. Now for my blush, I'm going to go in with the Anastasia Radiant Blush Kit, and I'm going to take that deeper pink and apply that to my cheekbones. For my highlighter, I'm going to go in with the NARS Ibiza highlighter. It is a very subtle highlighter, something you don't typically see these days anymore. So I really like that because it's very workable. For mascara, I will be using the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, and then I'll be adding my Mykonos Lilly Lashes like I always do. Then I'll be taking this NYX Wonder pencil and apply that to my waterline just to make my eyes appear a little bit bigger. Now for my lips, I'm going to be going in with the Say No More Lip Kit by Kylie Cosmetics. So of course I will be starting with the lip liner, and then I will fill in the rest of my lips with the liquid lipstick. Now to finish off, I'll be going in with the Badescu spray that has aloe and herbs and rose water. After that, we're all set. Thanks for watching, guys.